Hi guys, Jason here, Jason's Trucking Info, and today I'm sitting on the truck and I'm deciding to use some of the canned tuna and smoked ham. I'm kind of making a variation of like a tuna salad like stuff. So I'm gonna use mayonnaise. I've already opened a can of Chunk Light tuna, the Great Value from Walmart, and then I got some free cans of this smoked ham that I got when I was at Bay and Bay and I was down in Denton. They had all kinds of free stuff sitting on the table, so I grabbed some of it. So I opened a can each, and I'm not sure, I took 2 cans of each out, but I don't think there's going to be much more room because I'm going to add some olives and pickles in here, and I'm trying to decide whether minced onion would be good to add in here or not, because it should absorb the moisture from all the stuff in here. It would just have to sit in there for a while. So I'm just trying to decide. I'm about ready to cut up some. I'm gonna put some green olives and some cut up some of these sandwich dill chips and mix it all together. And I've been putting my juice in this cup, and I'll just dump that out in the grass here later. Hopefully I don't knock it over and make a mess. So that's what I'm doing. And then I got some bagels up here that I don't know are any good because I've had them for a minute. No idea. I got 4 bagels left. They look like they're good. So they're everything bagels. I don't smell mold. This first one coming off the top looks good. Yeah, they're fine. I can use these for my bread. So that'll work. So I can make me some tuna sandwiches, and then I got some sliced bread in my fridge here. Or sliced cheese, sorry, sliced cheese. Alright. So, I'm gonna get just a little bit of minced onion out. Carefully open this up. Hopefully I can find the minced onion without everything piling out on me. So what I got is I got all this seasonings and sauces and everything is up here. I'm just not sure where I put stuff. I got 2 different things of minced onions. It's just finding one of them. Meat tenderizer. Oh, here's my big container of minced onion. So, alright, do I want anything else from up here? That should be good. We don't want to make it too complicated. Here we go. We'll put a little bit of minced onion in here, because I don't know how well that's going to absorb. It's going to take a while. I won't be able to eat right away since I'm putting this minced onion, because I got to give the minced onion time to absorb some of the moisture. So I should almost put some of those juices back in. But there's moisture in all this. There's like the mayonnaise. this. A lot of people use Miracle Whip. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever you like. If you don't like mayonnaise and you want to use Miracle Whip, use Miracle Whip. Use whatever you like. There's no rules out there that say that you have to do things a certain way, even though there are some people that think so. Alright. Now, pull out my little knife here. Alright. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna cut up the pickles into little chunks. Bigger knife would make this faster. Don't have to be perfect. It depends on how worried you are about making it perfect, but how big you want your chunks and whatever. Especially when you're making it for yourself. It's all about what you care about, you know. If you don't care whether it's all perfect or not, then you can make it however you want. You can make these, cut these to whatever size you want. Alright, get some paper towels here. Alright, put the lid back on this. Now for the olives, which have not been opened yet. Oh, good Lord. There we go. Just regular green olives with pimentos in them. I'm just using what I have on hand. Yeah, you can buy pre-sliced stuff. You can do this and that. But I'm at the truck stop and I'm using what is on hand. I'm trying not to spend money in the truck stop. Although it's been nice having Popeyes, it's been nice having going in and having steak at IHOP. That stuff adds up. It's expensive. You can spend almost $20 a meal in there. $13 to $15 a meal just eating out of them places in there, depending on what you get. It's too expensive. You can eat cheaper on the truck. A lot cheaper. So for those of you that like these ingredients, hope you like them together. I think this is going to turn out pretty good. Mix it all up. Throw some cheese slices on there, and then spread some of that in there. I think it'll turn out pretty good. Just cut them up, small chunks. Spread it around here, make it easier for when you go to mix. Everything you put in here is gonna add to the flavor. I even got seasonings up there. I might be able to experiment with different ways that I could put seasonings in here. Can't think of anything I would want to try at this particular time, but it is an option. Always different things you can try. Alright, anything else I want to add to this before I mix? Okay. Fun part is trying to mix all this in this container and keeping it in the container. Not dropping the whole container on the floor of the truck and ruining your whole work. Try to get all this meat mixed around. And to think I thought I didn't use enough mayonnaise. I think I almost used too much. Actually, it almost looks like the right consistency. Didn't really measure any of this, I just kind of eyed it. So that's ham and tuna. With some pickles, green olives, minced onion, mayonnaise, chunky tuna, the ham, cut up green olives, cut up dill pickles, sandwich slices, and minced onion. And if you really want to get creative, if you had it, I don't have any, but if you had it, you could put like shredded cheese in here and mix it in. So all you have to do is spread it right on bread and you're ready to go. So now, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. That didn't take very long. Pimento. Hi guys, so I got a bagel out, got some cheese slices out, I got 2 each, I don't know, I might only use 1 each, and that. So, alright, we'll put a slice of yellow on the bottom, and a slice of white. On the top, I don't know which one's the bottom or top. I don't remember which one I put down first. Alright, so like that's the bottom. There you go. I've already been trying. It's a little messy. The stuff's been dropping out. I was thinking maybe it'd be nice to have some like tortilla shells or actual bread, but this will be alright. But this is not bad. It's pretty good. I'm going to take the rest of this and put it in my fridge. Have that for later. So what's nice about being able to have food on the truck, you can make stuff for a lot cheaper, and sometimes it's better than the stuff you're getting in the truck stops over there, you know? All that fast food stuff or restaurant food that's charging you an arm and a leg. Make you your own food. Well, I'm gonna lay back and watch some TV. Finish my tuna sandwich here. Should I call this the unique tuna salad sandwich? Since I added other stuff to it. And there be the wife calling, so I need eggs anyway. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching.